People keep using the terms AI model and AI agent like they are the same thing, but they are not. If you are confused by ChatGPT, Cloudy, Copilot, or AI agents like Manus and OpenAI's Operator, this video will explain the difference in under 3 minutes. What is an AI model? An AI model is the brain. It is trained on huge amounts of data and can understand questions, generate text, write code, summarize documents, or answer problems. Examples include GPT-5, Cloudy Opus, Gemini, Llama. But here's the important part. A model only responds to your prompts. It doesn't take action on its own. It waits for your instructions, gives an answer, and then stops. Think of it like a very smart consultant. It gives advice, but it doesn't do the work for you. What is an AI agent? An AI agent uses an AI model as its brain, but adds the ability to take actions. And instead of just answering questions, an agent can break a goal into multiple steps, use tools like browsers or APIs, read files, write code, execute tasks, check results, retry if something goes wrong. For example, if you ask an AI model to research the best laptops, it will give you recommendations. But if you ask an AI agent, it can search multiple websites, compare prices, organize the results into a spreadsheet, and even prepare a report automatically. The key difference is that agents do not just think, they act. AI model versus AI agent. Here's the simplest comparison. AI model answers questions, generates content, waits for your next prompt, doesn't perform real world tasks by itself. AI agent uses an AI model internally, plans multiple steps, uses external tools, completes tasks with minimal human input. In simple terms, model equal brain, agent equal brain plus tools plus actions. Final verdict. As AI continues to evolve, models are becoming more powerful, but agents are becoming more useful because they can actually get work done. So remember, if AI only gives you an answer, it's acting like a model. If AI can plan, use tools, and complete tasks for you, it's acting as an agent. If this explanation helped you finally understand the difference between AI models and AI agents, do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more AI comparisons on the channel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.